area of parallelograms. I have three pictures here. They're all three parallelograms. This is a special type of parallelogram. It's a rectangle. And it's a rectangle because it has four right angles, but it's still a parallelogram because it has two sets of parallel sides. These sides are parallel, and these sides are parallel. Here is also a parallelogram because we have one set, two sets of parallel sides. We have one set, two sets of parallel sides. So let's now talk about area for parallelograms. Again, let's go back to area for a rectangle, and that is base times height. Notice also that area of a parallelogram is also base times height. So we use the same formula to find the area of rectangles and regular parallelograms. So let's take a look at why the formula is the same. So here I have a parallelogram. It has a base of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 units, and it has a height. Remember, this is not the height. You would never measure the height of somebody when they're standing slanted. So the height has to be form a right angle with the base. So this is the height. We could also say that this is the height. Well, how high is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 7 by 5. So there's 5. So let's take a look at what would happen. So we know that we have to multiply 7 by 5. So let's take a look at what would happen if we actually cut off this triangle here by the height. I'm going to do some erasing so that we can better see this. So imagine cutting off this entire triangle here and flipping it around to right here. It would actually fit right on the end. 2 by, what was that? 5. 2 by 5. So what we've actually done is removed it from here, and our whole new rectangle or parallelogram is formed right here. So we actually made this regular parallelogram into a rectangle. So that's why then you can measure the base and multiply it by the height to get the area. So let's go back and let's look at these two. So here we have a 1, 2, 3, 4 by 1, 2, 3. So this is a 4 by 3 triangle. So we have an area of 12 units squared. Alright, so this one is also a 4. What is the height? This height is 3. 4 by 3 is also 12 square units. And the reason that these are the same, that these have the same area, is because I could actually cut off my triangle, move it to over here to form my actual new 4 by 3 rectangle. So, again, the formula for area of a rectangle and area of a parallelogram are the same. Because remember, rectangles are just special parallelograms. So pause, rewind as much as you need to make sure that you understand how to manipulate these shapes and understand the formula for parallelograms.